Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Zoho CRM versus Bitrix comparison video, and I'm showing you this screen because it seemed funny to me. I searched Zoho CRM, but for some reason Bitrix was the one that was at the top. So obviously they are doing some sort of, what do you call it? Let's say backend data better, which is why they came first. Like, I'll just do it in front of you one more time. Zoho CRM. Okay. Now they're showing Zoho CRM, but when I searched it, as you can see, Bitrix came first and Zoho came later. So I think that is something they need to work on. But anyways, let's get right into the differences. Now, first of all, Zoho takes just a bit of higher user review. As you can see, they have 6,000 user reviews, whereas Bitrix has only 90, like 925. But compared to this number and having a only 0.1% difference, I would say that is a lot. And then Zoho, it starts at only $14 per user, but Bitrix, it starts at $61, and I would say that is extremely expensive. Now if we look at the features, then as you can see, mentions is available in Bitrix, A/B testing for Zoho, and then for Bitrix you get AI content creation and AI writing assistant. Now this might be extremely good for people who do not have these writing skills themselves or any sort of content creation skills. And then machine learning is available, API, access control permission, all these things are available for Zoho CRM. And except for the machine learning, these similar are available for Bitrix as well, but you get account management as well that you do not in Zoho. And in Zoho, you get account integration that you do not get in Bitrix. And I'm saying these features because for you, these two might have been very important. And if Zoho doesn't provide that, then obviously you'll go with Bitrix. So look at the key things that they provide and what they do not provide and choose accordingly. And then integration, it's honestly similar for them both, except for just the sales. Oh, there's the same for both. My bad. Now, let's look at some of the reviews. Pros is that it comes with a lot of features, helpful for a CRM tool. You get what you've paid for, no more, no less. Okay, now let's see what are the cons. Is that there are other tools that offer the same or even better functionality. And yeah, this guy is talking about Bitrix. Okay, so this could be a paid tool as well, but this is reviewed 7 years ago. And then 3 years ago, another guy said that we were using Zoho, but it was very costly. Okay, this person is also thinking about switching to Bitrix because it has a lot of features, but it doesn't integrate well with Gmail or Outlook. And at max, it allows you to fetch email for 90 days. Okay, that is bad, right? If you need email for all 365 days of the year, what are you gonna do? Another person says that Bitrix is good, but cons is that it is understandingly higher than other CRM. Okay, so this person is comparing about the price, but another person says that Zoho is a lot more expensive because it charges you according to per user, but Bitrix gives you a flat rate, like it doesn't matter. And it will give you after like up to 50 CRM users, which is $2 per user. So I think you guys have gotten an already a clear view about what to get and what not to get. Even though that website said AI is not provided, we can see that in the Zoho CRM, AI is clearly integrated. So I would say go look at these two websites for yourself. Look at the features. Is there any feature that you really like? As you can see, Bitrix is literally showing them the differences even on their website. They show no free AI assistant, but Zoho is clearly marketing that. So I would say you that go look at both of these websites, their features, the ones that tend the most to you, and also the pricing seems the most reasonable to you, go with that one. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.